Welcome to a very hot Zanzibar. We're walking down the road here. Well, this is the road, and we're off to have lunch with a local. We're going to do a house tour, meet his family, and he's going to cook us lunch. This is not an organised tour. This is just a man we met in our travels, and he helped us out on a personal tour the other day and said, what would you really like to see around Zanzibar? And I said, well, not really interested in the tourist traps, but we'd like to see how the real people live. And he thought about it for a while, then he made an offer to cook us lunch. And you certainly can't say no to something like that, so we're just walking up the road here where we're going to meet him, and we'll be going to his house for lunch. It should be good. Come along and have a look.
This man,
Yes.
he's helped me everything.
Oh.
Washing car.
Oh, that young man?
Yes, yeah, please.
Okay.
So, this is my best friend.
Looks very young. How old would he be?
Very young, yes. I think he 13
Oh, okay, yes, yeah.
years old, yes.
Ah, very good. Here's your house. Very good. Yeah, visitors. Young boy visiting.
Yeah.
This is what you call door to door.
Closed door.
It's very close to the door.
No.
Oh! Hello! Hello.
Okay, go, welcome. You free.
We're in Hassan's house. This is a man taking us out for the day. This is his lounge with a TV. Look at the ornate roof.
Take photo, my friend.
I've got a video happening.
Feel free.
This is a very beautiful. This is very beautiful. I like the colours, and I really like these what do you call this? This architrave or
This is cement.
cement?
Cement, yes.
Cement. That looks fantastic.
Cement, but just one artist all this.
It makes our house look very boring, very plain. So much more colour.
Okay.
I like it.
This is the color, my idea.
Yeah. No, it
Here
makes.
I want this color, here I want this
I think-
color, here I want this color.
I think colour makes you happier
Yeah.
than just.
And this is master room, but it's not finished.
Okay, this is your expansion. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Master room, this is a toilet.
So do you build this yourself?
But
Look at the infrastructure up
I'm,
here.
I'm finished mine, so slowly.
Well, the same. I'm trying to renovate mine.
I think 10 years I'm building this house.
Very good.
Slowly today. Tomorrow here.
Myself?
Well, you can live here now, so you're good.
Yes,
That's
I'm
right.
living here,
Yeah.
but it's slowly. Like this.
Made myself? Some?
Myself, yes.
Yes. Oh.
Myself, only me. I'm doing the job. When I'm getting the money, I'm going. I'm building this and this, and this is another room, but it's not finished.
Yes.
Slowly.
Yes. Looking very good. I like it.
Children, little.
Children as well. Yeah, that's right. You've got children to raise as well, and play with, and feed, and
Thank you.
school, and
Thank you.
the roof in here as well. Very ornate.
Okay.
Very beautiful. Wow.
This we can take video.
Wow. Main bedroom, young boy.
Yes, and this is a room.
The ceiling style. Excellent. Very nice.
This is my room, but this is a master room.
Master room.
Yes.
Nice and big.
Not
I like the style of the ceiling too. That this is a timber with a plaster in between it, is it?
Plaster, yes. Yes.
Excellent.
Okay. No matter.
Well, thank you very much.
Okay.
Fridge. And this is the cook now. Look at these patterns, these tiles.
Yeah.
Nice. Very good. I like it. Ornate to the ceiling. Bit of stuff down here. We're in Hassan's home. This is his lounge room, not the room he normally eats in, but You see some of the other video. Amazing colours. Hello, Marina.
Hello.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Very good. Nice TV and sound system. But as with most of this world, they sit on the floor.
Television, but I haven't. What you say? Dish.
Ah, cool.
Dish. You know dish.
Dish, yes, yes.
Dish to take the session.
To take the...
If I'm wanting to look in match here in I can say in England match.
Yeah.
Football match.
Wow.
Wow. Maybe help?
Do you want help? Or...
Wait, help. Yeah.
Have a look at all this food.
Yes.
Well, I know this is chips.
Chips.
And
Yes.
this looks like a little lobster.
Lobster for me.
The other two I'm not so sure on. We'll have to get Hassan to tell us what the dishes are.
Everything okay?
Very good, though.
I think it is for you.
Wow.
What is this one? Oh, octopus.
Octopus and
This
cheese.
is octopus and... Wow.
Yes.
This
Yes.
is bananas.
Bananas?
Oh yes. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That's a lot of food, Hassan.
Всегда мы тоже Хасан.
Yes, I hope so. Of course, yes. Hope you eat together. Wow. Okay, we'll get to go through what each thing is, hopefully. Wow, man, how much food? How much food have you made?
So much food, yes. This is all
Crazy,
for you.
man.
This is for you.
You're eating too.
This is for you. Chicken. Chicken.
Thank
This
you.
is chicken.
He's looking after me. He knows I don't really like seafood, so he's made chicken as well. Tried to offer him money to cook the meal. He said, no, I don't want any money. You're just coming as a friend. So we'll give him a tip later. We'll give him a tip. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different things. Is the food he's brought out so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different dishes. He said, just make a simple lunch. Just make a simple lunch for us. It'd be great. These people like it's fantastic, amazing. Looks good, Marina, doesn't it? Looks food.
Yeah.
Looks really delicious.
Yes. Want
Yeah.
fast taste
Octopus
it? Yes.
and chicken, lobster, local rice dish with potatoes and meat. That's very tasty. Like almost like a biryani or something. Typical salad, chips, coconut rice. I'm not sure on the last couple. We'll actually have to ask Hassan what their name is. He's come back with drinks now.
Sit down, Sam, тоже.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, no problem, mate, no problem.
Okay.
Keep telling him to sit down, but he keeps going back to the kitchen to get more food and drinks.
Must do like this.
For Swahili tradition?
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Tradition.
Yes.
Wash your hands first.
Yes.
Understand?
And you, my friend.
Of course, yes.
And now we can start.
Yes.
We can start everything.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
That's tradition.
This
Hassan,
is for you. This is for you.
Hassan, can I ask you what some of the dishes are? This I'm not familiar with this one here. What is this one? What is this dish?
This is chicken.
Chicken? Yeah.
Chicken. What you say this?
Is
in
like a
English?
curry? Chicken curry or something?
Yes,
like that?
it's chicken curry. Yes.
Okay, yes,
And
excellent.
this is octopus curry. This. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
But this you understand.
Salad. Yes.
Salad, yes.
Yes.
Excellent. And what is this one?
This is vegetable,
Vegetable.
then coconut.
Oh,
very
coconut milk.
sweet, yes.
Oh, very good.
Yes, you can try to.
What is the name of this rice dish?
This is
really nice. I like
this
this a
is
lot.
rice and meat.
Yes, yes. Does it have a name?
Pilau.
Well, it is bilal.
Pilau, yes.
Excellent.
This
Chicken,
is rice and
coconut. Yes, I love.
Yes.
In Australia, with our Thai food, if you buy Thai food in Australia from a restaurant, it usually comes with coconut rice. It's very delicious.
Ah, okay.
Very delicious. And we
And
have
this
prawns.
is this is
and
prawns.
octopus.
Yes. Octopus. This is a fish.
This is fish.
This is
Chicken, kuritsa, yeah.
And this is bananas.
These are sweet bananas,
Sweet bananas and
Coconut.
coconut.
Yes.
Very
yes,
sweet.
They are very yummy, those cocoa.
Yes.
Very, very yummy. Excellent. Let's dig in. I think you're going to have to show Marina how you break a lobster up.
Yes.
Never broken a lobster. So.
Really? Okay. Haribo.
In your culture, is it always traditional to sit on the floor to eat? This is your normal? You don't have a table? Or
Table, yes, I know. I know.
Is that normal for your
It's a
culture?
big table
Yeah.
and everything on the table and chair.
Yes.
And you sit in the chair.
Mm-hmm.
Our traditional like this.
Much better.
Yeah.
But this is, I mean, they actually broken the lobster up. It's,
Maybe half.
take it off.
Put it, don't worry.
Okay. Wow.
Don't worry, for you.
Lobster.
Lobster. Wow.
Lobster.
Lobster is a delicacy in our country.
Yes. My country very expensive.
House here, did you have to buy the land, pay money for the land here?
I'm not understanding.
Your house, you started this house?
Yes.
Well, earlier, before your house, this was just no house here? No house? Here. What was here first?
No, plots? You buy plots here, no?
By plastic.
No, место, plots, where stood up place.
Did you have
place.
Yes, the first is forest.
That's all we asked.
Yes.
Yes.
The first forest, and I'm cutting forest, but this is ground of my grandfathers.
Okay, so you didn't have to pay
My
money.
grandfathers, he gave me because
Excellent.
all the people live here.
Yes.
It's one family. This is
okay.
ground for our grandfather. So if you go in another house,
Understand.
yes, my brothers, like this house, my brothers, and this is my brothers and my brothers.
Yeah, so it's just the way
So
that.
all us.
Gotcha. It's just the way the house is
So the
situated.
first my grandfather see the big forest and
Yes. Chop.
he was cut the forest and put in a coconut plant.
Yes.
Coconut tree. The first have a lot of coconut tree.
Mhm.
So we cut coconut tree and we cut the forest and we build the house.
Excellent.
And now is a street.
The street with your family.
Yes, the street is more of my family.
It's good
Because
security.
all house is my brother, my father's, my uncle, like this.
Your grandfather have много people. You have how many brothers?
How many brothers do you have?
Wow, a lot, eh?
You have a
We
lot.
are a lot. Because Nakakanga, I think I have 5 brothers.
5 brothers.
Yes.
Sister?
And I am, with me, 6.
You're the sixth.
6 man. You understand?
Okay, yes.
And I am is a small.
You're the baby.
Yes, I am a baby. All is a big. I am with the last.
Any sisters?
For woman, for man. And I have and I have 4 sisters, and 1 is dead.
Oh.
So 5 sisters.
Alright.
2 is dead.
Two is
My
dead?
sisters, two sisters dead. So I think 6 in our chapter. 6, what time? 5.
Yep.
5 sisters.
Understand.
5 sisters.
Big family.
Yes, big family. Yes.
Very big.
But my father's dead 5 years.
5 years.
Yes, 5 years ago.
Understand.
He is dead. But he is energy, he is fat, not like me. He is fat. He have energy, yes. And he going to beach to raising fish. With he was using dough. He have a big dose and he was going to raising fish.
Very good.
But my mother's here.
Mother's still alive.
She's live, yes.
How old? Your mother?
75, huh? 75.
Very good.
Mama yako ndiye huyo. Huyo ndiye huyo. He says no. Not her mother.
So like that. Away. Always a cat. Is this your cat?
Okay.
Is this your cat?
Cat. My cat. My cat, yeah.
Now come back in the hotel very happy and very full.
Excellent work.